Today we are going to be making mummy puppets using these paper bags. All you need is
a sheet of white paper
some black construction paper,
and some googly eyes.
but wait, not these googly eyes. We are actually waiting on a bunch of googly eyes to come in the mail, and they're glow-in-the-dark googly eyes. This should be pretty cool.
Those are gonna be cool.
So we're waiting on those. We hope they arrive because we really want to start making these. Like, we want to start right now. And we might do a little bit tonight, but we're gonna have to wait to finish them till tomorrow.
Yep.
So, you want to get started?
Yeah.
We'll just do a little bit tonight?
Yeah.
Cool. 1, 2, 3. All right. So, Maddie, we did forget to mention that you're going to need a pair of scissors. Please make sure they're appropriate for your age. And you're going to need glue sticks. We happen to have the scented glue sticks, but you don't need scented, do you?
No.
No. Regular glue sticks work probably better.
Do smell good, go.
They do smell good. Okay, so the first step that we're going to do, Maddie, is we're going to line these paper bags with black paper. And what I mean by that is we're going to take this side. That's going to be the front of the mummy. The face is going to be here. The body is going to be here. And we're going to take a piece of black paper and we're going to tuck it up underneath here. And we're going to line the whole front with black paper. And eventually we're going to do it on this part too, but we're going to take it one step at a time. We'll do some fast forwarding and we'll show you what it looks like. Sound good? Okay, cool. So these look great. Next thing we do is we take this sheet of white construction paper, and I'm gonna generally just try to cut it in half, like as close as I can. Yep. And you get half, and I get half. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this paper, and we're gonna make it look like it's mummy rags by making it wrinkly. Okay, so we just ready? 1, 2. This is gonna be fun. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
And then unfold or uncrinkle. Okay, we've got these.
Make sure you don't rip it.
That's right, we don't want it to be ripped, but we do want it to look crinkly. Now, when we cut these strips, they do not need to be exactly straight. They should be pretty close to straight, but you don't have to worry if they're like perfect or anything. Okay, so just gonna do strips about like yay big. And 1/2 inch wide, a 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide. And again, if they're not perfectly straight, it does not matter.
How many should we have about?
I think we're just gonna go for the whole sheet. Just cut the whole sheet.
Okay.
Awesome. So,
These are cool.
yeah, these are our strips, and we now have to wait for our eyes before we can really go any further. But this is what it's gonna look like. We're gonna lay strips across, and of course we'll have to trim the ends off later. But we're gonna lay strips across in just kind of a
Are we gonna kind of like
interesting
overlap
pattern.
them a little bit?
Yeah, they can definitely overlap. They can be close, or they can have bigger gaps in between them. But they're gonna basically look like this, and they'll be a little flatter because we are gonna glue them down. Okay, but they're just gonna have that wrinkled look to them, and they're gonna look like this. There's a chance that we may need to get a few more pieces of paper, but up here we're gonna have our googly eyes, and we can actually give a small preview of what it might kind of look like when we're done. If we get there, we're gonna have much bigger eyes than these. Okay, and these are yellow eyes, but they're gonna look similar. They're gonna be glow in the dark.
Yeah.
Okay, take
That's
those,
cool.
Maddie. So these will just kind of be in here somewhere. Oops, I got a small guy there.
Where would they be?
So they'd be kind of hiding behind some of these strips of paper, right?
Yeah, you can have like the
So-
string kind of like going over it a little bit. too.
Yeah, you like partially covering their eyes, right? So just gives you a very basic idea of what these are going to look like when they come out. And of course, we'll trim up the edges and it'll look really nice. We just have to wait for those. We just have to wait for those darn googly eyes to get here.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll be here soon.
Yeah.
All right, here we are. We're back. day number 2. So Maddie and I are hoping that we can finish this video today, but we still do not have our googly eyes. But we're gonna check. They could be outside.
We don't know.
There may have been a package delivered today. We haven't checked yet. You ready?
Yeah. Got it.
Perfect. Awesome. So the package we believe has arrived. And now it's just a matter of making sure that what we think is in the package is actually in the package. All right, now you want to open it up?
All right.
Just rip that strip, honey.
Come on. Okay, there we go.
All right, and drum roll. What's inside that baby?
It's
Got
the
'em.
googly eyes.
Got 'em. Awesome. Cool. These are gonna be sweet. So much bigger than these.
Yes.
Right? There's some tiny ones, but there's also some big ones.
It's miscellaneous.
Get this thing open. Comes in a similar case.
Very similar.
Ooh, like almost identical, not quite. Similar case to what we had before. Okay.
How do you
And
open it?
definitely not the same case.
Nope.
Open it up. And
There we go.
inside we have these big 2.5 centimeter googly eyes that are glow in the dark, and they're going to be perfect for what we need. Absolutely perfect.
No.
Like we just showed you a second ago, we've got these googly eyes, and we are sort of ready to remove these, put these in to see what it will look like.
And as you can see, not only the color is different, but the size is a lot bigger.
That's right. And we thought they'd be more along the lines of this color, but these ones here, we're gonna have to check these out in the dark. We're gonna have to
We will show you guys and see if they are actually glow in the dark.
we'll find a
or
dark
not.
spot and we'll figure it out. Okay. So, now we deconstruct and start the gluing process. We'll fast forward and show you what we came up with. Okay, Maddie and I have been really looking forward to this moment where we get to cut off the edges and see what we come up with here. Okay, ready, girl?
Yep.
Here we go.
I'm cutting the bag. No.
It's
Wait,
okay.
this is.
Yeah, just do it like that. Yeah, that's good advice. If you're not sure if you're gonna cut the bag, do it from this side. In fact, I'm gonna do the other one this way. Cool. You satisfied?
Mhm.
All right. That came off my hand somewhere. Hopefully we can see that in the shot. That'd be
I
cool.
hope so.
These are our mummy hand puppets with using paper bags. These came out, we think they came out really good, and we had a ton of fun. Did you have fun, Maddie?
Yep.
And so if you are looking for some Halloween craft, this one is nice and easy, but it comes out super cool.
Mhm.
We happen to order these googly eyes online, but if you don't have any googly eyes, you don't even need to worry about it. Just use white circles and put black dots on them. They come out super cool. We will show you what these look like. We're gonna try to go into a dark space and show you what they look like. We'll do that at the very end. We also had some other ideas we wanted to share with you. Maddie?
We also wanted to show you that you can also be doing a witch.
Or you could do a bag puppet for a pumpkin. And these are both really fun to do as well. Maddie made that one at school, and then we made this one just the other night to show how cool a bag puppet can be.
Let's put all
A
four of
pumpkin
them
puppet.
on our hands.
All 4 of them on the hands. Going on. Ready? It's gonna be tricky. Okay.
There we go.
Have you seen the ghost of Joe? I can just play some Halloween music. Insert spooky Halloween music. Alright, that's good. Okay, don't forget to check out other channels, Odin's Antics and
Crazy Kids TV.
and you can find those in the featured section of our Craft Kids TV channel. But lastly, don't forget to ask a parent if you can subscribe. That would help us a lot.
Yep.
Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, so I hope you can see these. These are our mummy bag puppets. And look at those glow-in-the-dark eyes. That's probably all you can see right now. Like, these are so cool.
Amazing. All right, so guys, you can see that even in a little bit of light, they still look super cool and they're still glowing super bright. These are probably one of the coolest projects we've ever done.
Yep. So these eyes are pretty cool. You can see a tiny bit of the glowing, even in the light, but it's not as cool as the dark, but still cool.